guys, it's me, Thriftastic Mom. I am in my car because I am getting ready to go pick up my groceries from Walmart. And I just kind of wanted to do a video and take you along with me and just show you kind of, how it goes. I'll get what footage I can of it, of course. And I'm showing you also in this video, kind of how I go on the Walmart app and place my grocery order. And, just give you an idea of how simple it is, for those of you that are not sure about it. It's a really good service. I've really been enjoying using the Walmart pickup. I haven't had them delivered to my home because that's just paying them $9 to bring it to my house. They don't bring it in or anything like that. So that's just an extra $9 I don't need to give them because I can go pick it up. I'm only about 2 or 3 miles from the Walmart. So anyway, I do the pickup. I like the pickup. So I'm going now. I got to run by the post office, and then I'm going to swing by and pick up my groceries. I actually got a text already. I'm supposed to be there between 2 and 3. They done sent me a text letting me know they're ready. So when I get there, I have to check in. And I have to do that on my phone. That's what I'm recording on. So you won't quite see all of that, but maybe you're seeing it later in the video. Okay guys, I wanted to show you here on my phone, I have this Walmart grocery app. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm just holding it up, just in case there's anything that you can't see on here, like my address, stuff like that. It does have an address of, where I pick up from, but that's it. So let's see. This is the page, and it'll have your local place that you want to pick up. You set what Walmart you want to pick up, and of course you got to make sure that Walmart has pickup. All of the Walmarts don't have pickup, so you will have to check that out and pick the location that you want to pick up from. And it just says reserve a time, and then you'll say, all right, say Monday's over, you can't really do that when you want to reserve a time for Tuesday. So see, it's got 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, and then you just click on what time. And then so you'll set all this stuff up when you open up an account with Walmart. You'll set up how you're going to pay by your credit cards or whatever. And you'll have all that stuff set up for you, how to reserve a time. Let's see, I need to take that back off because I didn't order groceries today. Well, will it let me? It don't matter. It'll clear off because I won't go back through. Anyway, it shows the store where you pick up, and it shows whatever time. It goes all the way up till 7 to 8 o'clock at night. 7 to 8 o'clock at night, I guess, is the last times that you can pick up. Okay? Then you got, let me hold it up for a minute. I got to make sure it's not showing any of my personal stuff. Showing featured items here. This is just things that they may have on sale or featured or whatever. And then it says reorder essentials. Okay, and then I can just go down through here and it shows everything that I have ordered in the past. And then you can just click on it. Add 1, add 2, add 3, add 4, whatever. And then up here in the corner, it tells you your price. See? Every time you add one, your price goes up. So it's showing you the whole time what your price is. So let me take that on. But anyway, it shows that I've got Diet Pepsis, oil, cucumbers, the bell peppers. Here's some hamburger meat, things like that. It's just showing me things that I've ordered in the past, and it's showing you some new things. But if you really want to see everything that you order, down here at the very bottom, it has Home, Favorites, Department, Search in your account. So I'm not going to go in the account because that shows my personal information. But anyway, you can click on Favorites, and then here we go. It shows hamburger meats. I've ordered Mrs. Dash, Diet Pepsi's, mustard. And then you can just go through and click on the things that you have normally, bought and want to buy again. It shows you if the product's out of stock. And, you know, if you order something, the one thing good about this is if you order something and they don't have it in stock when they get your groceries together, they try to replace it with something the same or more. So a lot of times, like you may have seen in my grocery haul, I'll order like a, say if you order a 12-ounce pack of bacon or 16-ounce pack of bacon and they don't have it in that size, they'll give you a 24-ounce pack of bacon to replace it in the same, you know, the same kind, like if you got a Great Value or whatever kind of bacon you may get. But they don't charge you any extra. So sometimes you'll get more than what you ordered for the same price. So that's really good that they don't charge extra for that. But it's just things here that I've ordered before and that I've actually ordered today. And it's just a simple click. Yeah, I want that, I want that, I want that. Yeah, that, I need that, I need that, I need that. You know, and just on and on and so forth. I need that bacon, I need them. So that knocks out a big chunk of your list. Then, if you actually, there's something you think of that you've never bought, you just click on search. And then it'll let you go up here and put in, say if you want ham. Alright, and then you hit search for ham. And then it starts showing you all of the ham items that they have that you can buy. And the same thing would be for pastas or anything, drinks, anything like that. Okay guys, I'm here at Walmart. It's about 2:33. I'm supposed to pick up between 2 and 3. I'm going to go around here to the pickup. If your Walmart does pick up, it'll usually have it on the building. And then actually it's on the road here. It says pick up and it shows you which way to go. See that little orange patch right there? It says pick up. And there's nobody over here. It's good timing. See right here on the side of the building it says pharmacy and pick up. Let me just pull right over here and then I'll check in and let them know I'm here. They're all kind of set up different. Some of them have more. There's 5 of them here where you pull in and park. So I'm going to pull in down here on number 1. They actually have a number there that you can call. If you don't do it on your phone, you can call them that number and let them know you're out here. Or you can just check in through the text that they sent you. Now, I don't normally have to get out at all. But a lot of times I get out and help them. Especially if they're busy and they got a lot of cars and they're trying to get things done. I'll try to get out and help. But sometimes, I mean, you can just sit in your car and they'll load it up and everything for you. No problem. So let me go ahead and check in with them. Stick this right there, just it's rough, don't forget it. There wasn't nobody here. Me too. That's a good thing. I picked the right time. You sure did. I'm going to make a note of this time. I was going to ask you though, what if for some reason I couldn't be here between the time set? Will they just hold it till I can pick it up later? Or? We had a woman come this morning. Ordered her groceries on Friday. It came today. Now she called and she said she had a family emergency, you know, and it wasn't, you know, I think it's somebody had cancer or something, you know, so, you know, it's a true emergency, but, you know, we don't want to do that because people take advantage of that, and we have a tiny little room in there, so, you know, it's really hard to hold stuff, but, so we like people to come as close to time because we really need to clear it out. Yeah. And you know, there are times of the year, like especially when there's football games and stuff, it gets, I mean, there's a bunch of us filling orders and stuff. And so, you know, it gets crazy back there. Yeah. So, you know, it helps us if people come on time. Yeah. You know. I think they're always on time. I'm just curious. Yes, ma'am. What y'all done if you did run 15, 20 minutes late?
Oh, no, that's wonderful. Okay. Yeah, that's reasonable. You know, we don't expect, you know. I mean, that's...
Well, sometimes you never know.
Well, you know, stuff happens. That's life, so. Anything in here you can think of that you want to have up front or somewhere? Delicate stuff?
Usually just the egg.
Okay.
Guess I just ain't got no room in there. I'll throw some up there.
Alright, good to go.
Alrighty, I appreciate it.
I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Oh, I'm got to sign off on that.
Did I not do that? No, man, this is not a computer type thing.
Alrighty, you have a good day.
Thank you, too.
Okay, guys, if you've probably seen, I was out there about 3 minutes. I think it said 46 seconds when I got back in the car. I did ask her a question about what happens if, for some reason, I don't make it here, you know, in between my time slot. And she said, you know, they encourage you to try to be here because they don't have a lot of room in there and they need the stuff to be picked up. But if you're, you know, 15, 20, 30 minutes late, you can still come out of your time slot and pick it up. You know, of course, they still got it. They don't like to just put it back on the shelf. She told me that they actually had a woman, you might have heard her talking about it because I was recording, but that ordered like on Friday and didn't pick it up till today. So she said they still had it sitting in there waiting, you know, but it does take up room in their little small area where they keep the groceries. But anyway, she loaded me up and I didn't help. I just stood back there and talked to her. And then I signed off on it. She almost forgot to have me sign off on their little computer for it, but I reminded her. And I put my eggs and my bread in the back seat, and she's got all my groceries in there. I'll check it when I get home, make sure that I'm not missing anything, and if I am, I just call them. I've had one time since I've been using the Walmart pickup that they left out a few things, and it was no problem. I called them. They didn't ask any questions except, you know, what was my name and the order number and what was I missing, and then they put the money off of that. She told me the amount, everything cost, how much it was added up to, and that's the amount that was going to be added back to my account. So it was really simple, and I was here today. Luckily, I guess I come at a good time between 2 and 3. And a lot of people here. There wasn't nobody here actually. So I've probably been here, you know, without me talking with y'all, but you know, dealing with her and getting my groceries maybe 6 minutes. So.
Hi, Nick Carter.
Oh no, I done got mine. I was just fixing to leave.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's fine.
Yes, you did. See, I'm running ragged. I'm half asleep.
Yeah, I
Got somebody in
understand.
the hospital.
Oh.
And I'm just running ragged.
I
Isn't it
understand.
sad?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I'm delirious. I had no sleep last night. Not that I need to tell you about my business, but
Hey, I know. I stayed up to like 2 o'clock last night.
did you?
Mm-hmm.
I've had no sleep at all.
Mm.
I mean, none. It says that she's here,
Huh.
but tell how good this is.
Hmm. Maybe she checked in
Just
too
hanging
early.
out.
Because when I first started doing this, I'd check in when I was on my way.
Yeah.
And my son was like, no, you don't check in till you get in the parking lot.
So there she is.
That way. There you go. Now she ain't got to wait long. Huh?
Thank you. I'm so sorry.
That's fine.
All right. Appreciate it.
All right. You have a good one. Okay, I'm going to leave that in there. I was like, I had to sit here a minute, so she thought I was the next person. So I'm going to get on out of here. Let's see. Well, she's kind of got me blocked in right now with the groceries. But anyway, the woman had already checked in. See, she checked in a little early. I don't check in until I get here. That way, if they come right out like she did with my groceries, I'm out here waiting. See, she was already out here with groceries and thinking it was me because the woman checked in too soon. And then now she's pulled up over here, so she's got her groceries out there ready. But that's the way it works. You just pull up and let them know you're here, and they load you up, and that's pretty much it. You don't tip them. I think the only time you do tipping is online. Only time you do tipping is when they bring it to your house. You can tip them, you know, for bringing it to your house. But they don't take tips here when you do pick up. And it's pretty simple. Okay, she's out of my way now, so I can back up. Get out of here. I took my glasses off. I can't see without my glasses. Yep, there's more people pulling in now, so she's fixing to get busy. But, yeah, it's almost 3 o'clock, about 2:47. But anyway, that's pretty much it. It's simple. And I'm not saying that there's not times. There's times that I come over here and I may be here 20 minutes. If I pick, like, I've noticed like a 4 to 5 or 5 to 6, you know, later in the evening when people's getting off work, then they will be more busier because people are picking up groceries on their way home from work. So that's why I try to come a little earlier, like between 2 and 3, to pick up my groceries and need. It don't take long. I ain't there but a few minutes. Works out great for me. I gotta put my glasses back on. I take my glasses off because I don't want a bunch of glare, you know, in my on the video. But anyway, that's my pickup, and I'm headed home. I'm only about 3 or 4 miles from my house, and I'm headed home, and I'll take my groceries in and get ready to do a grocery haul. So y'all will probably see the grocery haul, you know, after this, in a couple days after this video. But I hope this helped you. If you have any questions about the Walmart pickup, if I didn't answer it in the video, then just leave it in the comments, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my knowledge. But I have not had anything but success doing the Walmart pickup. I love it. Actually, it can really spoil you because you don't have to go in the grocery store and get your groceries. I ain't saying I don't never go to the grocery store. Sometimes I'll run out of something and I'll have to go to the grocery store. But it's just so easy to pick it up. Why not? Why not? Okay, guys, I am home with my groceries. I'm fixing to take them in, lay them out on the table, do my normal grocery haul. That way I can put that up for you guys in a couple days. I hope I didn't forget anything that maybe you needed to know in this video. So, like I said, leave me some comments below if you have any other questions. I tried to show you what I could and, you know, share with you my experience picking up groceries at the Walmart pickup. So, I love it. I hope you try it out. If you do, let me know in the comments below if you've tried it and you love it, or you don't love it, or if you're planning on trying it, whatever. But I hope this video is helpful for those of you that have asked me questions about the Walmart pickup. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up for recording it and putting it out there for you to help you out. And leave me some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, you need to be. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. See you later. Bye. God bless.